Hi, we are from Kubota Brabender Technologie, GmbH. Our headquarters is based in Germany. We started our journey in India in 2007 and this is our 18th year. We are mainly into plastics, compounding industries and master batch. We also do some, done completed job in polyolefin business also. So our main bread and butter comes from plastics. We are also in other sectors like food, pharmaceuticals, and in recycling and batteries. We are mainly into process industries and process application area. Our equipment goes. We have twin screw feeders. We have single screw feeders. We have flexural feeders. We have hybrid tray feeders. We have belt feeders. We have liquid feeders. All this goes into our process industries wherever your process application is required. And we have been taken over by Kubota Corporation Japan in 2022. Now they formed a new company. Its name is Kubota Brabender Technologie GmbH. We are known by this name from 2022.
So it's the collaborated name,
It's a collaborated
like
name.
mixture of
Both the companies, because Kubota is from Japan and Brabender Technology is from Germany.
Good.
And when they took over, we were already 65 years old. And we have a global presence. Our markets are globally reputed. And the journey is definitely amazing journey. And we look forward for further more business. And for PlastIndia exhibition, we have participated every time except once. And we have got good response from participating in PlastIndia every time.
That's really great to know. And I would like to know about the product ranges. I guess you have mentioned about it.
Yes, it's
So
a
you have mentioned about the product ranges, qualification, specifications, features,
Yes.
and this is what makes your company unique, right?
yes.
And
Why it is more unique, because we can serve with a loss in weight technology from 30 grams per hour to 15 tons per hour. So that is the wide range that we cover.
Interesting.
Yes, this is a wide range we cover.
So it saves a lot of time and labor.
Absolutely, because it saves your manpower cost. It saves your wastage. So your environmental contamination is also less, and these are continuous dosing systems. So your production capability multiplies.
Good. Great. So you have mentioned that you have participated in PlastIndia multiple times. So I would like to know that what is something that brings you here every time?
Mainly, look, every exhibitors look forward for future business.
Why
And-
don't you answer something?
For me is my main job is working in Germany to support my colleague in India.
Yes. We work together. We work together for same project. So, if there is any inquiry or if I need any support from my German headquarters, there's my colleague who helps me always.
That's
to.
really great.
And the advantage of having Xiaolong Piao in Germany is he also works like me 24 hours by 7.
Oh, amazing.
The most important point for us is India is increasing market. That's why we should focus on after China. We have to focus on India.
Yes,
That's we are.
Now it is the fastest growing economy.
Yes.
Okay, so while you are talking about the economy, I want to ask one question, and that is that after that free trade agreement between India and European Union, how is it helpful to you?
Government of India has done an amazing. They have handled this. The tariff barrier. I would say it's amazing thing that this present regime has done.
This should be the best decision ever. We are producing in Germany, and if we can reduce the tax into the
India,
India,
we have a more market naturally.
So it saves you a lot of money and also reduces the overall costing of the product.
Not only us, we look forward that our customers should save the money
yes.
because they are the bread and butter for
So
us.
it is like very easy for it is now has become easier for you to spread worldwide. Like already you are there in the world, but like
No,
to spread
yes,
more.
of course. If the cost goes down, more and more investors will come in, and we
Very
look forward to this plastic industries.
It was really, really amazing talking to you. I have got to know something very interesting.
Thank you. Thank you.
And
Thank you.
you're most welcome. And thank you for your important time.